Hi, good evening, everybody. It's a pleasure to have all of you here. And I don't have a written script as Stefan has, but I'll say something which I've been thinking of, making a few mental notes over the last couple of days. And then I said that let me do something which I really wanted to show people. And as I said, I made some mental notes about 2, 3 nights back. I said, how can I make it a bit different? And I wanted to share a few things with people which were very precious to me. And so Akshata does not know about it, Muskan does not know, and Urvashi just came to know in the car, but she does not really know what it is all about. So what I did was I got a few pictures printed which are very, very special to me. And I said these pictures will be able to communicate better if I fall short of words. So Akshata, this is a picture of the day you were born. Okay. So Akshata has always been a daddy's girl, and the first time when I went, I was already in the hospital when Urvashi delivered Akshata, and when I held her in my arms, I think that was my best feeling ever. So this is what I did. I would say that this is a very, very precious photograph. She was a daddy's girl, and she's always been a princess to me. She's loved by, figured saying be loved. Well, I'm being a bit emotional now, but she has given a lot of love to everybody. She's given love to Urvashi, to Muskan, to me. And though all our days may not have been perfect, but I would say that my feelings and my love for Akshata has definitely been perfect. And baby, I couldn't love you more. Um, when youngsters, young girls meet celebrities, they're enamored by them. But then I would say it was the other way around. When Akshata received the President of the United States of America, Bill Clinton, and he was enamored by her and he gave her a signed autograph. And this is that picture of Bill Clinton with Akshata, and that's autographed. So, Akshata, the President of America was also enchanted by you. And she was a baby girl at that time, 8 years old. And he signed it and sent it to Akshata. So, Akshata, this is a very, very precious photograph. Keep it with you. I'll give you and Ryan the original so that you can frame it in your house. And let me tell you, it's Akshata who's brought up Muskan, not Oroshi and I. She's the one who's always taken care of her. She's the one who's ordered pizzas for her. She's the one who's made dal, rotis, sabzis for Akshata. So for us, it was just nothing but if Muskan used to come to us for anything, we used to say, no, go to Didi. And for Muskan, I think Akshata is everything in life. She loves it to the core. And this is a picture of Muskan, Akshata, and a mom in one of the flights. And there's a story behind it which I will not say. I'll only say when Muskan gets married, because only the three of them know what this is all about. So this is what it is. And as I said, that she's always been very caring, taking care of Muskan, bringing her up. So a picture of the two of them when they were young. And I think that they've got the best, or they've had great times together. So that's Akshata and Muskan together. Well, Ryan, I've been wanting to tell you for a long time that Akshata's arguments are always based on facts, on figures, and I always knew that she'll do well in as a lawyer, because when she argues something, she ensures that it's properly done. You know her, Muskan, absolutely right. Who knows better? And when I saw this photograph or took it in 2009, I knew that she'll be a lawyer. The way she's putting a point across, the way she's talking, the way she's arguing, and this is Akshata. So this is what it is. Um, Pardon? Rhino. So this is about 10 years back, this photograph. And Ryan, also let me tell you another thing, that we Tandons love our travels. We ensure that we go on a holiday once a year. And this is one of the photographs. And also, let me tell you that she is very adventurous. She loves sports. And this is one of her pictures just before she went parasailing. So, so Ryan, I know that you don't like rides. I know you're going to Disneyland, but she'll be the one sitting on all the rides and not you. But you'll be the photographer, absolutely right. The other thing or another picture which I liked was uh, at Burj Khalifa, where Akshata is looking down at the world. And I know that with Akshata and Ryan being together, you'll just achieve great heights and nothing less than that. So all the best to you, Akshata and Ryan. So this is again a very favorite photograph of mine. And let me tell you that Neeta sitting here helped me really in the last 2 days to make these photographs. So thank you, Neeta, Leena, and Daisy over there, who really helped me put this together, these photographs together at such a short notice. Now, till now, we have had 4 people in every frame. So this is a photograph of 4 of us. So most of our photographs have been with 4 of us laughing, enjoying, having a great time. But now with Ryan, you coming in, the Tandon frame will get bigger, will get better. And here's a picture of all 5 of us. And I think it'll continue like this now. So this is what it is, Ryan. So the frame has got bigger. Ryan has become a member. And welcome Ryan to the family. I would also like to thank Jeffrey, Christine, Stefan, and Rashmi for having Akshata.
No, I don't.
As a part of your family.
Thank you.
And